Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create the WooCommerce audio store with embedded music players. Let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to add a new page. So let's name this our music store. And then once we have done that, we need to click on this plus icon. And then from this plus icon, you can actually add some blocks. So we need to add a short code right here. So you can just search for that. And here it is. So click on that right here. Then write in here a short code. So just write in here this code. This music right here is the category of the product that we will be uploading. Once you have done that, click on this publish option right here and publish it if you want. While it's publishing, let's add in here a new product. Now in here, you can add in here your audio music that you want to sell. So for example, let's put in here sample fireworks. And then from in there, we can head over and add description and all of these things right here. But for this one, make sure to choose in here the product category. Let's choose this music right here. Scroll down, and then from in there, you can see in here this product data. You can make this virtual right here. Now from in there, you can add in here the price. So let's price it at around $19.99. And then from in there, you can also put in here something that will discount it as well. Now from in here, you can add inventory. So this is actually a virtual product, so it will not run out. Now you can also add or link products, attributes, product badge, and all of that. So let's scroll up, and then let's add in here product image. Now in here, I will just put in here a placeholder image, but you can use any cover that you want for this particular music. After that, click on this publish button. Once you have done that, you should be able to publish this particular product of yours to your store. Once it's been published, you can see in here this one, and as you can see, it's now published. So what we can do is we can head over right here to our page that we have just created. Click on this view page right here in order to see what it looks like. So here's our product right here on our music store. Now go and head over and add this to your cart. But it is still not complete because we need to add an embedded music player. In order to do that, let's head over and edit this site again. And while it's loading, let's head over to another tab called Help Site. So just sign up however you want and then search in here for music. So you can see in here this audio player. So click on this right here. And then once you have done that, you can choose a template that will actually show or appear on your site. So you can choose a music playlist, an inline audio player, or a new album, or also a meditation and ambience, or anything that you want for this case. So for me, I'll head over and then just try to use this single track in here. Now click on this continue with this template. And now you can see in here the track. So let's click on this right here and edit it out. Now you can put in here the actual URL that you want. So you can actually remove this title as far as the artist. So let's put in here me. And then the title, which is sample fireworks. And you can also add in here the call to action button. You can edit it out however you want. Like for example, if you want to link it to your Spotify, click on this edit right here and then put in here your Spotify URL. Now, once you're done with that, you can see in here this one. Now, you can also edit it out or replace it with the actual file that you want. So let's replace it in here. And then let's put in here this music that we want to add right there. So I have now added it and it's loading. Once it's done, head over and click on this done option. Now, you can also change the layout right here. It can be embedded or floating. So for me, I'll head over and just choose embedded. And you can also change the width or pixel for this one. For example, you want to make it 300 only. Now it looks like this as well. Now you can click on this player and you can track the playlist and everything in here. Or you can also change the style. Once you're done with that, click on this publish option in here. And then once its changes has been published, you can pick a plan to install the widget. For me, I'll just use the pre-plan right here. And then from in there, this will load and you can see this code right here. So let's click on this copy code and then let's head back to our page of music store and let's click on this plus right here. Now let's search in here for HTML and you can see this custom HTML right here. So let's head over and add this to our page and then let's paste in here the code that they gave us. Now I can click on this preview in order to see what it looks like. And as you can see, we have now embedded our audio player with our actual product. So let's click on this update right here in order to update your progress. And now here's a preview of our music, and here's our actual embedded widget. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.